What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel and welcome back if you're new. I hope all of you guys are having an amazing day. As you guys already can tell by the title and thumbnail of this video, we will be doing another little mod to the Honda Civic. It's gonna be another exterior mod and I'm super excited to do it. Let me show you guys what it is. All right, guys, I don't know if you can tell what this is, but I opened the package already, so I'm super excited. Let me show you. Alrighty, guys, so what we're doing is we're gonna go ahead and get rid of the chrome right here. They're already pre-cut, so that's actually very cool. So I'm gonna get rid of all of this all the way down here. I'm actually super excited, guys. I hate chrome, if you guys don't know that. I just hate it. It does not look good on cars. Black just looks amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of that. We're gonna start off by cleaning off the surface, letting it dry for a little bit, and then getting started on it. It should be awesome. Like always, guys, we're gonna go ahead and use waterless car wash from Chemical Guys and a microfiber towel, just because this stuff works amazing. And like I said, we'll let it dry and then we'll start working on it. Alrighty, guys, so as you guys can see, super clean, nice and clean both sides. Now we're just gonna go ahead and give it a few minutes to go ahead and dry, and we should be able to get started. I'm so excited. I don't even want to give it time to dry, but I'm super excited. Like, I'm going for more of a murdered out look, so blue and black, it's gonna look awesome, guys. I don't know, I'm super excited, guys. Let me show you guys the product. Let me give you a little bit better view while we wait for it to dry. Right, guys, so it's kind of hard to show you everything, but as you guys can see, they're already pre-cut. This one right here is actually gonna be the driver's side. Just the way that they're angled, you can tell. Anyways, guys, that's kind of how it looks. I'm shooting everything myself, so kind of give me a little break when it comes to the angles, but I'm super excited. I'm definitely liking the texture of the material and the shade of black, how dark it is. It's more of a matte color than gloss, so it's definitely gonna look really good. Guys, so that first piece took me like 5 to 10 minutes. I'm not exactly sure how these are made, but on the instructions it says that there's going to be extra, so it's good to use a heat gun, which I will, but it's like barely enough. Like, you can still see part of the chrome, to be honest. Let me show you how it looks. It's not the greatest product like I thought it would be, but it's actually still way better than having chrome. Guys, look at this. Again, you can still see some of the chrome right here, not too much. If you go down, it's pretty good. You can see the chrome right here, but not too much. If you stand back, you just can't see it. But that looks so much better, guys, than the chrome. That took about an hour and a half. Definitely the pieces aren't an exact fit, and I'll go ahead and show you kind of how it looks from at an angle, a close up. It does not look bad. Unless you're looking for imperfections, you will not find them. It looks really good, guys. I'm actually gonna leave it in the sun for a little while, let it kind of like heat up and stick to the chrome piece a little bit better. And then tomorrow I will go and take it to Best Buy and hit it with a heat gun. That way it can again stick even better. But let me give you guys a little look on how it looks. Right. Alrighty guys, so that is actually going to be it for today. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Do you guys like chrome better? Do you guys like the more black out look? Personally, again, I love the look of black. I hate chrome. It's just basically anytime, guys, that I can go ahead and get rid of some chrome, I will do it. I still got a few things to get rid of. I'm going to be getting all the decals in the back completely either blacked out or removed, and then maybe replacing the Honda badge with a black and red Honda badge. Is just gonna make the car look sick, a little bit more sporty. I might actually end up getting another car, guys, so or a truck. So stay tuned for that, guys. Again, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Have a great one. I'll catch you on the next one.